Is not yours? Fit to you?
No, it's an old one.
You know, the Hollister is different. There's a lot of trees there. Yeah, like a forest. And most of the trail there is one way. Yeah. Okay, we want to visit that one soon. I'll let you know. But according to the dirt bike riders, this Carnegie is one of the best one in California because it's big, mountain, you know, and that's what they say, you know. They don't communicate, so yeah. Okay. Just follow me here. The people in the ride, they're thinking of climbing up there. The water always pass here, that's why they have to build this one. It always get the water damage here. You see the right side there, the water damage. ride soon. I know. So it's time to go home. We're gonna eat together in there's a beautiful lunch place there that me and Sarah we always go. You know, if you don't really keep doing it, it really hurts you fast. Like me, you see, my left arm. The one you're using right now, that's the one I want to change the what you call that, piston rings, pistons, you know. I want to rebuild that one because I thought it will lose power soon. But that one still have a lot of power to it. Yeah. Yeah, so that still have power. Yeah, that's why I never changed it. I already have the kit there. Actually, the owner of that one, I bought that one in Sacramento for $1,000. Yeah, that one, the one you're using. So the owner said, this is hard to start. And I said, okay, let me buy it, and then I figured it out. Yeah, so I found out that that there are more fuel coming in than air. The ratio is not correct. So I just changed it to another ratio, and then it works good. So the owner sometimes messages me because he's following me in YouTube. Oh, I want to buy back my bike. Because he saw me sometimes the bike, there's an accident, I throw it. It's very tough bike, you know. I mean, it's survived, you know. And then this bike, the one I'm using, this is one we trade in with a jet ski. Yeah, because that time the sheriff get mad of us because John is underage. So he said, no, your son is underage, cannot use jet ski until 16. And then that's the time John said, no, we changed another car. So we changed it from jet ski to motorcycle. But the mom says no motorcycle. The trap. Okay, let me remove it. It's like a seat belt.
Thank you.
And then remove the extra part.
Oh yeah, it is. Thank you. Land management. This is federal, huh?
The BLM, yeah, that's
Then you have United States Forest Service.
also federal.
Year round.